Seamus, how do I stop procrastinating? So how do you get from procrastination to productivity? So a lot of the men that I coach in business procrastinate a lot. It seems to be a recurrent theme. And in order to understand procrastination and productivity, we first need to understand human values. Every single person lives by a unique set of priorities and a unique set of values, and they go from lowest to highest. The more that we live in our highest values, the more we are productive. We have more energy, we're more organized, we're more inspired, we show up better. The more we live on our lowest values and lowest priorities, the opposite happens. We don't show up as much, we procrastinate, we have lower energy, it affects our self-confidence and self-image in a negative way because we're not being all of who we could be. So in order for us to learn to get procrastination aside and be more productive, we first need to understand what really makes us tick, what really gets us inspired, what really lights us up. So once we understand human values, we can really start to learn to then delegate out low priority things that are lowest in your values, and get them out to other people who are willing to do those things, inspired to do those things, and a lot of the times who are better at doing those things. So procrastination a lot of the times is a symptom that's trying to get you back to be authentic. It's trying to get you back to be the best version of yourself so that you can live in your highest values, because that's when you show up in the best way possible, when you're going to have more energy, when you're more productive, and procrastination very rarely occurs at that level. So there's 3 other things that I share with people to help them really look at what they're doing on a daily basis. So number 1 is A. A means automate. So what are you doing on a daily basis that you could easily automate, that takes a lot of mental space away and gives you more clarity? Number 2 is D. What can you delegate? What again are you doing that's lowest in your values, lowest in your priorities, and that you can delegate out to somebody else that frees you up to be yourself? And then E is eliminate. What do you need to eliminate from your daily tasks, your daily calendar? Who do you need to eliminate? What actions are you doing on a consistent basis that isn't being the most productive for you in your business, and that you can just get rid of? So A again is automate, D is delegate, and then E is eliminate. Those 3 things combined with really beginning to understand your highest values will get you more productive and end procrastination.